What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new and you've never seen my face before, hi, my name is Ash and this is my channel, Living Ash, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I am beyond excited to talk to you guys today. I always say in every video, today I have a different type of video, but today is very different. I'm gonna be talking to you guys about scents from Bath & Body Works that I don't really like. And you guys know I love Bath & Body Works, but there's scents that I don't like. I feel like everyone has scents that they don't like, and a lot of you guys have asked me to do this video, so I am very excited to share them with you. And I have a list here of all the scents I don't like. You guys can't read the list yet. But before I even get into the scents that I don't like, I want to talk to you guys about something that I honestly love. This company, Jeulia, oh my gosh, they are so amazing. Thank you, Jeulia, for sending me this lovely bracelet that I'm about to show you. Jeulia is a premium artisan jewelry company, and I love that their brand focuses on not only just the jewelry but the story behind the jewelry, just more so making this something that you're gonna remember, something that's gonna hold value and memory. Especially right now, it is the holiday season, and this is the perfect gift to get someone. And I'm gonna show you guys right now what's in the box, okay? I got this beautiful bracelet, you guys. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it came in this little baggie here, and oh my gosh, I have to show you guys, like, it's gorgeous. And I'm gonna show you guys closer up, but the details on this, oh my goodness, this is the perfect gift for a family member. And you guys, right now they are having a sale. You can actually get this specific bracelet for 26% off. That is amazing, especially if you want to get it as a gift. Tonight would be the night to go get it because they do have a sale that ends tonight. If you guys do like this specific bracelet, this is the Jeulia chain sterling silver round cut. It is so fancy and so elegant, you guys. I'm gonna need to put it on to show you guys just how gorgeous it really is. I'm obsessed with this. I truly do not believe that the camera does this justice, you guys. It is gorgeous. This is something I've actually never had anything this pretty before, and I love a bracelet. Jeulia strives to deliver quality and affordable luxury jewelry that is unique and authentic for everyone. They take great pride in their design and craftsmanship and utilizes environmentally conscious materials. They are confident that when you go on their website and you look, you will find something that you'll be confident in and will fall in love with. Whether it's an engagement band, a cocktail ring, or a jewelry piece just like this, each Jeulia piece is thoughtfully developed from start to finish, so you can always feel confident in your purchase. They have amazing deals right now, and all of that will be linked down below. On their website right now, they do have buy two get one free, which is so awesome, and especially these things are discounted right now, so it is the perfect time to go pick yourself up something nice, and again, for maybe a family member, anyone, because this is so gorgeous, you guys. I seriously don't want to take it off. It is so pretty. So after this video, go click the links in my description and go on their website and go shop this. Thank you so much, Jeulia, for sending me this gorgeous bracelet. I am obsessed with this. This is gorgeous, and I hope that you guys do check out Jeulia, and everything is going to be in the description, so you can just click those links after this video and go shopping and get yourself, your husband, your sister, your mom, your daughter, anybody, something so nice and for a really good deal, because Christmas is coming and these holiday deals are everything. So for the rest of this video, I'm gonna be keeping on my bracelet because it's gorgeous. So let's get into some scents from Bath & Body Works that I genuinely don't like. And I hope that you guys aren't mad if I don't like a scent that you love, because I'm sure you guys probably don't like some of the scents that I like. But anyways, so let's get into the first scent. And I actually mentioned this in my video yesterday, Vlogmas Day 6. If you haven't seen it yet, what are you doing? Go watch right now. Come on, catch up. You guys got a few days. We're already a week in. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. But the first scent that I just don't care for from Bath & Body Works is Cucumber Melon. I liked Cucumber Melon a lot back when I was younger. Or did I like it a lot? Or did I just like have it and I just used it and I didn't really care? Like, it's just something that I tried to like, and then I would wear it. I think I bought it for SAS and I was wearing it and I just couldn't get into it. So I found myself an alternative because I like that Cucumber Melon is a very refreshing scent. I was able to get this Jergens Skin Smoothie Cucumber and Melon Body Lotion from Walmart, and it smells so good. And it's just a different melon scent rather than Cucumber Melon. I don't know, it reminds me of it, but it's not the same. This one is just right. Like, I can wear this and I feel good and I'm like, this smells so good, and it's light. So yeah, Cucumber Melon, just not my cup of tea. And yeah, I know a lot of people like it. It's an OG scent from Bath & Body Works, but it's just not my thing, okay? The next scent that I just don't care for, and I know this is probably shocking to you guys, but if you've been watching my channel for a while, I've never ever mentioned this scent, ever. This scent is Midnight Pomegranate. I know, I don't like it in the body care. I had it in a body cream. I gave it to my mom because I just wasn't feeling it. It's just not for me. I feel like it's more of like a room spray type scent for me. I had the Fine Fragrance Mist. I literally sprayed it until it was gone in my bathroom because I just didn't like the scent. It just wasn't something I wanted to put on my body. I thought it was just more of like a bathroom spray scent, and I think it smells good in a bathroom when you spray the room or something, like a room spray. But in terms of body care, Midnight Pomegranate, I wanted to love it so bad. I purchased it, you know, earlier in the year, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna love it, and I got it and I was like, I don't like this one, and I was kind of sad about it. But if you like Midnight Pomegranate, you know, I'm glad that you do, but I just can't get on that. I can't. Before I get to the next scent, make sure you leave down in the comments below what your scent of the day is and what scent from Bath & Body Works you don't like. Like, I just want to know. You guys may not like a scent that I love. I want to know. Everyone has their preferences, and I'm interested in hearing about yours. This next scent, okay, I don't know what it is about this, but I feel like I like it but don't like it because I actually sold it. But I think if I had it again, I'd probably like it, but I didn't like it. This is Black Amethyst. It's very dark. It reminds me of Dark Kiss. They're not the same, but they give me that same like vibe. Like, they're just like really dark, intense fragrances. Black Amethyst, it was just not it for me. It was very spicy. It was something that I'd purchased during SAS, and I just felt like it wasn't it. Like, but I do think if you want something long lasting, that is it for you. Like, but it just was, it's a very mature scent. It's hard for me to remember these scent notes and everything because I just smell them and I'm like, I don't like them. But if I did have Black Amethyst again, I think I would keep it in my collection. However, Dark Kiss has not made it yet. I know Dark Kiss is a favorite for many. I feel like you either love Dark Kiss or you don't, but it's just like, it is what it is. Dark Kiss I didn't want to put on the list because I wouldn't say I don't like it. I don't know what it is about Dark Kiss. It's just not my cup of tea, but I won't say I don't like it. Like, I don't know. But Black Amethyst, I'd say, is something that I just was like, no, not for me. This scent right here, this is a love-hate relationship I have with this scent. This scent is Japanese Cherry Blossom. I used to like it, or again, maybe it was just a scent that was always around. It's such a popular scent from Bath & Body Works. Everyone has had Japanese Cherry Blossom in their collection at least once, if not I mean, I don't think you're missing much, but I mean, SAS, they had so much Japanese cherry blossom. I think because they were like repackaging it, like, oh my gosh, it was so many of them. And I was like, do I buy one just to buy it at this point? But I'm like, no, you don't like it. I don't like Japanese cherry blossom. It's not my cup of tea. I just don't think Japanese cherry blossom is it. I don't know if it's because I'm tired of it. I used to wear it a lot when I was in high school, like after gym class. I can see why everyone always says like certain fragrances bring back memories, because this scent reminds me of gym class, and I would just, you know, we were rushing to put on our clothes and change in like middle school, and I just throw on some Japanese cherry blossom lotion, and I was like, oh, like I don't want to remember that. So Japanese cherry blossom, no, not it for me. I actually recently just got rid of it in my collection because I just couldn't do it anymore. No. But I do like Japanese cherry blossom from the Body Shop. That one's really good. So yeah. Okay, so the next scent I'm gonna tell you guys about, and this one was a bit disappointing to me because I genuinely wanted to like it. I was excited to receive it. This was before it started getting repackaged so much, like now during the holidays and like SAS and everything. Sweater Weather. I think this one is like the worst one to me. I don't know what it is. I had such high hopes for Sweater Weather. I thought it was gonna be some like nice fall scent. It smells so weird to me. Sweater Weather to me smells like, I don't know, this is weird guys, but I feel like outside has a smell. Like I know when someone comes in the house from outside. I'm like, I know you were outside, like I smell you. You don't stink, but you smell like outside. I don't know. If you guys have ever said that, let me know in the comments down below, because I can smell someone when they've been outside in the actual like environment, the air, and they come in my room or come near me. I'm like, you were in the sun. Like you smell, I know my friend used to go, you smell like the sun. It's like funny because what does the sun smell like? But yeah, Sweater Weather smells like outside, and I mean, hey, Sweater Weather literally smells like the outside air. Just not, it's like a sweaty, my opinion, okay? I don't like Sweater Weather. I wanted to like it. The next fragrance I don't like from Bath & Body Works, which might shock a lot of you, Watermelon Lemonade. I don't like that. I don't like it. I don't like it, and I know a lot of people do. I don't like it in the body care. I will like it in the candle, and that's one thing about Bath & Body Works. Like I may actually like a scent in the hand soap rather than liking it in, you know, like a lotion or, you know, a spray. It just depends. Like I can actually use a body wash of a fragrance that I don't like, even though, you know, I don't like the lotion. I can still use a body wash. It depends. It really just depends. I don't know what it is. Like certain things it's just weird. But I don't like Watermelon Lemonade. Again, this was along with, I think, Midnight Pomegranate, where I did receive it like earlier on in the year. I know they had like retired fragrances like flash sales, so I was like, oh, let me use this opportunity to purchase fragrances that I may not know of or have ever tried. And Watermelon Lemonade was just, it couldn't sit well with me. It was just not, I don't think I want to smell like a watermelon. I think for me, I don't like I like fruity scents. So my mom was like, maybe you don't like fruity scents, but that one was just like a very artificial watermelon-y candy scent, and that's just not my fragrance. So I actually exchanged that one for something else. And yeah, so me and Watermelon Lemonade, we're no longer together, and we will never be getting back together ever. And I decided to just throw this one in here, but I wasn't going to. This scent, I feel bad to even say I don't like it, because I feel like it's so sweet. Like it's never done anything to me, but I didn't like it, and honestly made me feel a little bit sick when I wore it. This scent is called Rosewater and Ivy. I know, Rosewater and Ivy. That scent almost turned me off from all rose scents. I'm glad I didn't let it do that to me, because I do have rose from Bath & Body Works. Love rose. I like pretty much all of Bath & Body Works rose scents. However, Rosewater and Ivy was too much of like a watery rose. It was like the floral. Something about it made me feel weird, and I didn't like it. I tried to wear it, but I was just like the scent was just not doing it for me. It wasn't a stinky scent. It's not that. Like, none of these smell bad. It's just like, you know when something is just not it wasn't it, and I didn't like it anymore. I actually sold it, a brand new one though, because I had like 2 from SAS. I sold it, someone else has it now, and I'm sure they're happy. But Rosewater and Ivy, just it didn't do much for me, and I didn't buy it in the new packaging this year because I just don't like that one. And lastly, I didn't like Sunrise Sale. Sunrise Sale came out during the summer or a little bit before, and I thought I would like it, and I don't. Again, it's like another like outside scent. I don't like Sunrise Sale. I would definitely like recommend it if you guys like these like outside smelling, like the air outside. It just wasn't it. I didn't like Sunrise Sale. I don't know, I feel so bad to say what I don't like, but it's true. Like, I don't like certain things from Bath & Body Works, and I would never tell you guys I like something if I didn't like it. Like, if you don't hear me talk about it much, it probably is because I don't really care for it. But out of all that, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on my list, and I think I added in like 2 more. So yeah, and Bath & Body Works has so many amazing scents. So this was actually a little bit difficult for me. Like, I like everything from Bath & Body Works but those scents. And one thing about me, I may not like it now, but I could find, you know, a little tolerance for it later. You never know. Like, Moonlight Path would have been on this list, but I like it now. And some of you guys will probably comment Moonlight Path. Like, I'm sure you guys will probably say you don't like Moonlight Path, and I can totally understand. I know a lot of people don't like Sweet Pea. I think Sweet Pea is pretty sweet and nice, but I was over it too at one point, so I can see why. You know, we all like different things. There's so many. I just don't understand how Bath & Body Works makes so many different fragrances. I'm like, oh my goodness, you guys are like overkill. Like, it's so much. But that is everything that I don't like, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know again what you guys don't like from Bath & Body Works. And yeah, maybe one day I'll make another updated version of this. But again, let me know what else you guys want to see from me. Of course, we are still doing a Vlogmas, so you guys are seeing me every day. Like, I hope that you guys are tuning in. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, and if you just became a subscriber, make sure you let me know down below. I would love to welcome you and talk to you guys. And you guys, I'm trying so hard to keep up with your comments. Since I'm posting every day, it's like a lot of comments, so if I don't get to your comment right away, trust me, I am going to get to you. And I appreciate you so much, and all of your support is never going unappreciated. I swear, I'm so grateful every single day. God is so good to me. It's amazing. I'm so blessed. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.